I went through 3 greenhouses in 3 years. These that you buy and put together, and you don't save a dime, first of all, because you may buy a $700, $800 greenhouse. By the time you get $1,000 in labor and putting it together, you hadn't saved any money. No matter how you can secure the foundation to the ground, but the rest of it's going to leave if you get a heavy windstorm. When I saw these greenhouses that are Yoderbilt, and realized that they transport them, they build them at their facility, I believe it's in Mansfield, Arkansas, and then they transport them. Well, if you stop and think about it, if they got it on a truck running down the expressway 60, 70 miles an hour for hours at a time, as they did this one, they get it to the job site and they didn't have to screw in one screw. After they got it here, there was 0 damage. It went down the expressway that far, that fast, and they didn't have to. It took them 10 minutes to set it up, and he was out of here. But I am very impressed with the way it is built. On a 5-star system, I would give it a 6, and I'm not normally that easy to please. I mean, I don't mind paying for something, but I'm critical that it's what I wanted.